Hello friends. Today I want to discuss how to achieve success in life. So why is that only 5% of people are successful on this planet? Why does this happen that when a man is in his 20s he's very passionate about achieving something in his life, but by the time he has achieved the age of 65, only 1 out of 20 of them has achieved success. The rest are living a very average life. So let's understand this. So, in order to be successful, we first need to understand what success is. To simply put, success means achieving a predetermined goal. A man who has a definiteness of purpose, a man who knows where he is going, is a successful person. Say, for example, a mother. A mother whose goal is to take care of a family and is very joyfully doing that is a successful person. A salesman whose goal is to become the best in his field and is going all out to achieve that goal is a successful person. So having a goal in life is what differentiate between a successful person and a person who is a failure in his life. Now we have seen what success means. Let's see what is the key to success. We have often come across a statement that we become what we think about. In many religious scriptures, we read that this in Bible, we also read this in Gita and various other religious scriptures. But we have never ever given a thought about it, that what deep learning this single statement holds. This statement actually reveals the key to success in our lives. So take an example of a very fertile land. Suppose a farmer has a very fertile land. It does not matter what seed he plants into that land, because whatever he is going to plant in that land, he is going to get that harvest. If he plants a seed of a poison, he will get a poisonous crop. If he plant a seed of a sweet mango, he will definitely get it sweet mango trees. So similarly, a human mind is so incredible, it's so marvelous, it is so mysterious that it is far more fertile than any fertile land. So whatever thought we are going to hold in our mind, it is going to manifest in our reality. If we take a very close look at a life today, our life today is the sum total of the thoughts that we have been holding till now. So if you want to be a successful person, you really need to have a predetermined goal, and you really need to think constantly about your goal, exclusively about your goal. Don't let your mind fritter about any negative things, because anytime you let any negativity comes into your mind, just remember that as you sow, so shall you reap, because it is going to manifest in reality tomorrow. So if till today, if you have not decided that what is that you want in your life, so decide it today now, because this is the most important decision. And just let it go, just let it nurture with your positive thoughts. Just live as if you have already manifested your goal into reality, and nothing can stop you living a successful life. So I hope that everybody enjoys a very successful life and you find this video useful. Thank you so much.